Okay, welcome to the PSSA Prep Rally Math Activity. This is Mrs. McQuaide, and I'll be reviewing the activity with you. You should have the paper in front of you that says PSSA Prep Rally Math Activity, collecting the data. We're going to use our graphing calculators today. We're going to collect some data, graph it, and make some conclusions from that data. So, things that you will need paper. And that's simply to write down your data, and we're going to give you some data sheets. And also we need some paper to tape on the wall because we're going to collect height, and we don't want to mark the walls up. And you'll need the tape to tape that up. You have your data sheet, hopefully, and we're going to have some string also to help us measure. You need something to measure with, a tape measure, a ruler, or a yardstick. And of course, our graphing calculators. Okay, let's go to step one. The first step in this process is going to be to collect the data. I want you to survey at least 5 people. You're going to collect 2 pieces of data. You're going to collect the person's height in inches. I suggest taping a piece of paper to the wall, having them stand up to the wall, and you can see my diagram here down below. Mark the height on the wall, just like when you were a little kid. I'm sure a lot of you have had parents do this. Teachers will help. Go ahead and collect some data from teachers as well. See what their heights will be. Okay, and we're going to do that in inches. Then we're going to go over here. The second piece of data is going to be the distance from the wall, and this is where the string comes in handy. Have the person stand back flat against the wall, outreach, stretch out the arm, and just take the string and measure how far from the wall it would be out to the fingertip. Then take that string and use your ruler or tape measure to measure that distance. So let's say I take my measurement. I'm 5'8", so that would make me, hope I can't do 9, just to keep my data straight. So I'm going to now go, you just draw it with your pencil, just go ahead and draw a line underneath that data so that you keep that person's data together. Okay, so we're going to kind of make a table. Once you've done that for at least 5 people, then you'll be ready for step 2. So go ahead and complete step 1, and when you've completed step 1, then turn the recording back.